No experience needed? How you can make $950 a day with AI and simple copy-paste methods. What if you could earn as much as $950 per day working from home, without ever needing to be on camera, use your voice, or have any kind of technical knowledge? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's absolutely achievable. With the power of new AI technology and a straightforward copy-paste approach, people across the globe are discovering an exciting new way to make money online by utilizing trending content from sources like Google News and YouTube. In this post, I'll guide you through everything step by step, share real-life success stories, show you proven tactics, and help you get started today, even if you've never done anything like this before. Sure, there are countless ways to earn money online, but most of them need lots of time, technical knowledge, or a big social media following. But what if you could bypass all that? Imagine copying a viral YouTube video or a hot news article, pasting it into an AI tool, and having a fully polished video ready to go in just a few minutes. That's exactly what this method is about. Using advanced AI platforms, you can transform already popular online content into fresh YouTube videos and earn through ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships. The best part? You don't need to show your face, use your voice, or have editing skills. Even a child could do this. With only a few clicks and some creativity, you can start producing videos that rival those of popular YouTubers. Viral content spreads faster than anything else online. It gets shared, searched for, and watched more than regular posts. Whether it's breaking news or a trending video, viral material already captures attention, and that's the fuel for views and earnings. The trick is to jump on these trends quickly and release your version before the hype fades. Faceless YouTube channels that focus on trending topics have become gold mines in the world of digital content. These channels don't require a host, a camera, or even a personal brand. Instead, they thrive on viral content, smart editing, and consistency. And the money they bring in? It's no joke. Take the channel Viral Now as a prime example. This channel has mastered the art of tapping into popular trends and turning them into snackable, engaging videos that people can't stop watching. According to analytics platform vidIQ, Viral Now earns over $177,000 every single month. That breaks down to roughly $5,900 per day, just from compiling and presenting content people are already searching for. Another heavy hitter in the faceless content game is Brightside. With more than 44 million subscribers, it's one of the largest educational entertainment channels on YouTube. Brightside focuses on quick, curiosity-driven videos packed with fun facts, brain teasers, science explainers, and everyday mysteries. Their estimated monthly revenue sits between $72,000 and $216,000, making it clear that faceless content isn't just working, it's thriving. So, what's the secret behind their success? These channels don't rely on personal charisma or expensive production teams. Instead, they produce fast-paced, visually appealing content that taps into what's trending on YouTube and Google right now. Videos are often driven by curiosity. Clever facts, life hacks, unusual trivia, or answers to questions people are already Googling. And here's the good news. You can replicate their entire model using AI tools like Invido AI or Need AI. These platforms allow you to turn text, links, or even existing videos into completely new, engaging content in just minutes. You don't need to write a script from scratch, hire a voice actor, or learn complicated editing software. Everything, from narration to visuals, is handled by AI. With a bit of consistency and a smart content strategy, you could be on your way to building a channel that brings in real revenue every day, just like Viral Now or Brightside. What makes this opportunity so powerful is how incredibly simple and accessible it has become. Platforms like Invido AI and Need AI have revolutionized content creation to the point where anyone, regardless of age, background, or technical skill, can create high-quality YouTube videos in just a few minutes. You don't need to be a video editor, a designer, or a tech expert. The process is streamlined from start to finish. Go from idea to polished, ready to publish video without ever touching complicated software. At the heart of this strategy are faceless YouTube channels, and they're exactly what they sound like. These are channels where you never have to show your face, use your real voice, or even reveal your identity. Every piece of content is produced using AI-generated voices, stock footage, animations, and text-based storytelling. It's completely anonymous, and it eliminates all the barriers that usually stop people from getting started. No camera? No problem. No microphone? You don't need one. No editing experience? The AI does the heavy lifting for you. You also don't have to invest in expensive gear, lighting setups, or worry about being on screen. If you're someone who values privacy, feels camera shy, or simply prefers working behind the scenes, then this is the perfect solution. You can build an entire brand, grow a loyal audience, and generate income, all without ever stepping in front of a lens. And the best part? These tools give you full control over the look, sound, and feel of your videos. Want a British female voiceover? You got it. Prefer an animated style with playful background music? Just click a few buttons. Want to add subtitles, transitions, or visual effects? It's all drag and drop simple. This model not only removes traditional barriers, it creates a low-risk, high-reward environment for creative entrepreneurs. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, a full-time income stream, or a way to express ideas without being the face of your content, faceless YouTube channels powered by AI are a game changer. These channels are fast to build, simple to automate, and can be scaled up easily. You can run multiple at once, skip hours of editing, and enter different niches simultaneously. A great example is TED-Ed, an educational channel with more than 20 million followers. It produces animated content and, according to vidIQ, earns up to $5,000 daily. It proves how faceless content can be informative, entertaining, and profitable all at once. Here's how to get started with this method, even if you're brand new. The first step in this entire process is finding the right content sources. And the best part is, you don't need to create anything from scratch. Your goldmine lies in trending YouTube videos and articles from Google News. These platforms are packed with viral, high-traffic content that has already captured people's attention. All you have to do is leverage that momentum and transform it into your own unique video using AI. Start with YouTube. Tap into what's already viral. Begin by exploring top-performing YouTube channels within your chosen niche. For example, if you're focused on curiosity, education, or entertainment, channels like Brightside, Viral Now, or TED-Ed are great places to start. Once you're on their channel, click on the Videos tab. Sort the content by most popular. Choose videos that have over 1 million views. These videos are proven winners. They've already been validated by the audience. By using their topic or structure as inspiration, you can ride the same wave of interest while offering a fresh AI-enhanced take that aligns with current trends. Next, use Google News. Capture what's trending right now. Head over to and scan through the latest trending articles. Focus on categories that consistently pull in attention, such as technology, health business, science, sports world news. Pick an article that's both timely and interesting, and simply copy the URL. This link will become your base material for creating a compelling video. Since the article is already optimized for clicks and attention, your video version will likely tap into the same audience interest, especially if it's formatted and delivered the right way. From content to script, let AI take over. Once you've collected a few YouTube links and Google News article URLs, you're ready to feed them into an AI video tool like Invido AI or Invido AI. With the right prompt, something like, turn this article into a 2-minute animated YouTube video with visuals and voiceover, the AI transforms your inspiration into a fully formatted script, ready to turn into a high-quality video. In just a few clicks, what started as someone else's trending content becomes your unique creation, optimized for YouTube's algorithm and ready to grab the attention of a global audience. Next, open Invido AI or Invido AI. These platforms are your content factories. Paste in your video or article link and use a prompt like, "Create a 2-minute animated video using this content." The AI handles everything: voiceovers, music, animations, and subtitles. You can choose different voice styles, adjust visuals, and finish your video within minutes. This kind of speed and simplicity in content creation simply didn't exist a few years ago. Back then, producing even a single video could take hours, between scripting, recording, editing, and fine-tuning. Now, thanks to advancements in AI, you can create an entire day's worth of videos in under an hour. That's a complete game changer, especially for beginners or solo creators looking to scale quickly. Let's walk through a real example to see how effortlessly this can be done. Say you come across the TED-Ed video titled, "What Would Happen If You Didn't Drink Water?" Swing, which has amassed over 22 million views. The topic is not only fascinating, but also has proven viral appeal. That kind of traction means it's already been validated by a massive audience. And that's exactly the kind of content you want to model. Here's what you do. Copy the YouTube video link. Open Invido AI or Invido AI. This will be your content creation hub. Paste the link and use a simple prompt like, "Create a 2-minute animated YouTube video based on this link using stock visuals and a warm, friendly AI voiceover." Choose your preferred visual style, voice accent, and background music, all within the platform. Let the AI do its thing. Within a few minutes, you'll have a professionally edited video ready to upload. No need for editing timelines, recording equipment, or advanced production tools. It's all done automatically and intuitively, freeing you up to focus on creativity and strategy. The same exact process applies to Google News articles. Head to news.google.com. Find a trending article in a high-interest niche like tech, health, or business. Copy the article's URL. Feed it into your AI video tool with a similar prompt. Create a short, engaging YouTube video summarizing this article. Use modern stock footage and a calm male voiceover. You can also select between stock media, footage and images, or generative visuals, AI-generated scenes and animations, depending on your style or budget. The key to success is consistency and relevance. By producing and publishing short, engaging videos daily, each one based on content that's already gaining traction, you're giving your channel the best shot at growth. The YouTube algorithm rewards channels that post frequently and deliver content aligned with current search trends. So whether you're creating 3 to 5 videos in a morning session or building up a week's worth of content in one sitting, this approach gives you the ability to scale without burnout. It's efficient, effective, and, thanks to AI, completely beginner-friendly. Creating content is only half of the equation. The real magic happens when you focus on growing your channel. This is where consistency becomes your most powerful tool. You don't have to upload every single day, but maintaining a regular posting schedule is essential. Not only does it keep your audience engaged, but it also tells the YouTube algorithm that your channel is active, reliable, and worth recommending to new viewers. Think of it like building momentum. Every video you publish becomes a new opportunity for someone to discover your content, subscribe, and engage. Over time, those small efforts snowball into steady channel growth. Whether you post 3 times a week or once a day, the most important thing is that you stick to a rhythm you can maintain. If you haven't launched your YouTube channel yet, there's no better time to start than right now. Getting set up is simple, even if you're a complete beginner. You can find step-by-step tutorials on YouTube itself, guiding you through everything from creating your channel to setting up your banner, logo, and channel description. And if you're looking for more structured guidance, consider clicking on the resources like the AVDARR links on the description of this video. It's packed with insights tailored for creators like you. Starting might feel intimidating, but once your channel is live and your first few videos are uploaded, everything becomes easier. Momentum builds, confidence grows, and results begin to follow. So don't wait for perfection. Just take that first step. Your channel won't grow overnight, but with consistency and smart strategy, it absolutely will grow. Brand your channel with a good name, a strong logo, and a niche focus. For trending news, aim to post short videos a few times a day. For educational content, try longer videos 2 to 3 times weekly. Perfection doesn't matter. What counts is staying consistent. You might not go viral immediately, but YouTube loves channels that publish often. That's how you increase your odds of success. Just keep an eye on what's working and repeat what gets views. Here are the tools you'll need to start and grow. Invido AI or Invido AI for turning links into videos. Plans start at $28 per month for stock visuals or $96 per month for generative content. ChatGPT, great for names, descriptions, and video scripts. Free or $20 a month for Plus. vidIQ, for analytics, SEO, and research. Free plan available. YouTube, free to start uploading. You earn money once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. If you want a low-effort, scalable way to build income online through content creation and viral trends, this method could be your golden opportunity. It's not about overnight riches, but consistent effort. Even an extra $500 per month could make a big difference, and that can grow over time. Whether your goal is $100 or $950 a day, it all begins with action. Start creating. Learn as you go. Improve what works. Grab your laptop or phone, find a viral link, and convert it into a video today. Your journey starts now. Ready to try? Launch your first video using Invido AI or Invido AI. Comment below $950 a day to get into the mindset of success. Subscribe to Avdar on YouTube and share this guide with someone who needs a boost. We live in an era where content equals currency. If you can use AI tools to turn trending stories into engaging videos, you open the door to multiple income streams. Faceless video content isn't just a business idea, it's a freedom-based lifestyle. You don't have to be a tech wizard or public speaker. All you need is internet access, the right tools, and the drive to try. AI is leveling the field. Now anyone can compete with big media brands and create viral videos. So what are you waiting for? You already have what it takes. Just start. Publish your first video. Track your growth. Double down on what works. Keep learning and don't give up. Getting to $950 a day won't happen overnight, but every single step moves you closer. Keep going. Stay consistent. Don't let self-doubt or perfectionism stop you. Let this year be the one where you stop watching others win and start writing your own success story. Whether you're after some extra income or dreaming of financial freedom, faceless YouTube videos made with AI might just be your breakthrough. And remember, the future belongs to creators who innovate, automate, and act. Don't just hope for success. Create it, one video at a time. So if you like this video, do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel to be reminded every time we post a new video to the channel. And take advantage of the links on the description. They can really help starting your new adventure. Stay well. Peace.